Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are draw and coloring alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue and now we are draw and coloring the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. First we are mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. The alphabet of E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, the next one is numbers. Now we're drawing coloring numbers 1 to 5. So kids, now we're using the color of red and coloring numbers 1 to 5. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is 2. The number of 2. The next one is 3. The number of 3. Kids, the next one is 4. The number of 4. And the next one is 5. F-I-V-E 5. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we are coloring the shape of triangle and using the color of red. And the next one is circle. Now we're using the color of yellow. Kids, now we're using the color of yellow, coloring the shape of circle. And the next one is heart. We are again using yellow color and coloring the shape of heart. Kids, the next one is star. The shape of star. Now we are using the color of green. Now we are using the color of green and coloring star. The shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using green color. The shape of pentagon. And the last one is square. The shape of square. Now we are using the color of green and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone. Now we are drawing coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, now we are using the color of black. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. Now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is D. D for dollhouse. And the next one is E. E for elephant. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're using black color. And the next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. And the next one is I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. And the next one is L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M for moon, M for mango. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O for orange, O for octopus. The next one is P. And the next one is Q for queen. The next one is R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S for sun, S for snack. T for teacher, T for tiger. And U for umbrella. The next one is V for van. The next one is W. And the next one is X. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are draw and coloring alphabets. Subscribe to our channel. First we are mixing and using the color of blue. And kids, first we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. The alphabet of B. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. The alphabet of D. And the next one is E. Now we are using the color of blue. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabet of G. And the next one is H. H for hand. We are again using the color of blue. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange, O for octopus. And the next one is P. P for parrot. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. T. U. And the next one is V. W. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.